Inclusive education, when all children attend and are welcomed by the neighborhood school in age-appropriate regular classes and are supported to learn, contribute and participate in all aspects of the life of the school. Inclusive education kamot ba, ki school marjan, ki priang ya baro ki kana, kat kum karata, badday, haki class, baya don lang, ban, ti wayde ki para kana, klem dabo, yaki, laka jong pati ka class. Bat la dayru, ban yarab yaki, ha ka liang ka pule puti, bat ki kam, ki jam, ki ba, ki la, ban yo jakpo, kabala ban yarab yaki, bat ban yashim bantaru, ha ki kam, bayade, bat ka school. Inclusive education is also defined as a learning environment that promotes the full personal, academics, and professional development of all learners irrespective of race, class, color, gender, disability, learning styles, and language. Sakaway padde kabatay ba ka inclusive education kaday ka jaka puli kabayaram ya ka jinglong shimen jong unang puli kabayaram ha ka puli puti pad ha ki kam ni ka kamay ka ji jong kinong puli klem dan yaw shiliang yano ru la ki day ki badop ni ki bayo kibayong ni kibali kantay ni shinrang kibadan jingduna hakadakot met ni kibadan kasab bonjay ni kiba compare kurkumpuli ni kren da ki wepan kiktin. Who are to be included? Yano ni day ban penrung ha ka inclusive education. The Salamanca Conference, UNESCO, 1994. Schools should accommodate all children regardless of their physical, intellectual, social, linguistic, or other conditions. Includes disabled and gifted children, street and walking children from remote or nomadic population, children from linguistic, ethnic or cultural minority, and children from other disadvantaged or marginal area of groups. Salamanca Conference, UNESCO, 1994. Ki school ki day ban penrong school lun ya baro ki kana kalem da pek ya ka jinglong jongki ha ka liang ka khotmen jingstan ka shnong ka thau jingdan jing em ka tin ba ki kren ba ki weide ki ban kun thop ki day ki baduna ha ka khotmen ni ki ba la start palan ki khana basa hasurong ni ki khana ki babalahi ni ki khon ki nong bala ba wan na jngai ni na jan ki khana bakren ni don la ka jong karukam im ni le niam ni ki rit pai ki khana baduk ni ki ba wan na ka longyeng baduk ni ka ri marit ni na nong kandong. Why children wants to be included? Balay ki khana ki kwa banya kan thop lang. To feel included or belong to the group. Ban snyaw ba ki day lang ni long kumjo hi kum ki way ki para khana. To develop self-esteem and abilities. Bakin yo lan ban pen snyaw sha phang yala de bat ban pen I yala ki sap ba ki don. To lead a happy interpersonal life as adult. Ban long ki priu ki ba ya day ha ka imlang sa lang hatin habot. Aims and objective. Education for all, protection of rights, identification of skills, development of social consciousness, prepare for new challenge, development of brotherhood to improve the quality of education. Aims and objective jongka inclusive education. Ban panpoy ya katunat puli puti syaparo. Ban yada ya kahok jongki kena. Ban wad ya kasap. Ban pentmin ya kibaladon hau ne ka kena. Ban pengkre ya ki nak benta kalawai jongki. Ban penkiu shushu ya karukom hikai bat kejingkiu katunat kapuli puti ha kapaya day bat ki kena badan kam jiniarat bah.